Okay, today we're going to be doing a product review. In this case, we're going to be doing a review of the Maglite LED upgrade module for 3-cell Maglites. As you can see right here, it is a 3-watt LED, and here is the actual LED right here. We're going to be taking this and installing it into a standard 3-cell, 3D cell Maglite, and I happen to have two of them. So one of them we will leave stock, one of them we will do an upgrade to, and then we will compare the results between the two to see which one is actually better. So the first thing that we're going to do is cut this open and get this free. Okay, here is the unit actually removed from the package. Here we have the light itself. It just fits as an insert exactly the way that you would put in the standard light that goes with the Maglite. It's just a bulb replacement kit. And then it's got a quick set of instructions here, which are basically unscrew the end of the Maglite, unscrew the bulb holder, take the bulb out, replace the bulb here, put this in place of the existing bulb, and then just screw it all back together. So that's going to be the next step that we do. Okay, I have here a pair of 3 D-cell battery Maglites. I'm going to actually upgrade the blue one. I'm going to leave the black one on stock. Right now they are both on stock, and if I had them both focused the same, get them focused about the same, your two dots pretty well equal intensities, just so, move them around here. Pretty well equal intensities. So these two flashlights are, we'll just say that they are identical for the purpose of this review. And really, they are close enough. There probably is some difference in them, but I lack the equipment to be able to measure what the difference really is. So we will use the blue one, and we are going to do an upgrade to it. First thing that you want to do, as the package said, unscrew this end. Once you've got the end off, inside, see here, I don't know how well I can get that in frame. It doesn't want to focus very well, does it? Well, in here there is another little screw-off piece that actually holds the bulb down, and that's what we're going to take out. So, and it comes out with the bulb, and there's that collar that screws down and holds the bulb, and there's the existing bulb. Now we're left with just the chamber. I'm going to take the existing LED, or the new LED, drop it in there. I'm going to do a quick test just to make sure it works. Oh, it does work. Definitely works. Then take the collar, screw the collar on, tighten that down, and then you just take this, put it back over, and screw it all the way back down again. And that's all there is to it. Extremely simple to do. And I'm going to set that bulb off to the side. Okay, so now I have my new LED flashlight. Let's see if I can pinpoint a dot there. That looks pretty bright. Let me go ahead and grab my other flashlight. Oh, well, I can't tell for sure because they're different colors, but it really does look like this one is a brighter light to me than this one. So I'm going to go ahead and wait until it gets dark, and then I will shut the lights off in here and film each different one. I'm also going to compare against this flashlight, which is just a cheapie that I bought from Rural King. I think it cost $5, and it's just another LED flashlight. It has, how many is that? It has 9 LEDs on it, and only takes 3 AAA batteries to power, and it works fairly well. So I will compare these 3 flashlights and see which one, well, see how they do. I'm going to say right now, for the money, this is a really good flashlight. Like I said, it only cost me $5. It's pretty bright, does a pretty good job. But being a much bigger fan of Maglites, we're going to see which one of these two makes the better light now. Okay, so here I am in my kitchen. I've waited till dark, and I'm shining the small LED flashlight that I showed earlier. Just shining it on the wall. Now I'm going to go ahead and switch over to a traditional, just regular stock incandescent Maglite. Okay, now as you can see, that's pretty good, pretty decent brightness there. I'm going to shine on the ceiling here. Well, it doesn't show up. Pretty decent brightness off of that one. Now we're going to fire up our LED Maglite. Let me get these adjusted to where they're about the same. Okay, well there's the picture from our LED Maglite. Here's our other Maglite. You know, I'm going to be honest in that the color difference, I can't really tell which one is brighter. The LED one is definitely a lot more white, almost to a little bit of a, well, it's got that nice surgical white fluorescent look to it. This one's got their kind of that yellowy glow to it. All in all, I can't really tell with this test which one of these is actually brighter. They're both pretty bright. They both do a pretty good job. So I'm going to go ahead and go outside and do some additional testing. Unfortunately, whenever I do go outside and do the additional testing, you're not going to be able to see it because my camera is not that good. It won't do the distance like what I'm going to do. What I'm basically going to do is spotlight some trees a little ways away and see how well it works for a distance light. Okay, I've been outside and I have tested both of these flashlights. Remember, the blue one is the one we did the upgrade to. The black one is the one that has the normal bulb in it. And I enlisted the aid of my neighbor to ask him which light he thought was better, and I also had my opinion. And we both think that the blue one with the LED upgrade was a drastic improvement for seeing distances than the black one. The difference really was, it seemed like this one was so bright, and was so bright all around any place the light reached, it kind of messed with your night vision a little bit so that you didn't see as well not where this was shining. Whereas this one didn't jack with your night vision as much, and so you could see a little bit more on your peripheral than what you were seeing with the blue one. But other than that, both of us really like the blue one, and if you have an existing Maglite and you were thinking about the upgrade and you can afford the upgrade, I would definitely go for it. I think you'll be pretty happy with it. If you are not looking to spend that much money right now, then don't, because you know it's still a Maglite, still good light, still can see pretty good ways with it. You can still focus it. Everything's still great. I mean, it is still this. But if you do have the money, I would say go ahead and do the upgrade. If you're looking at buying a new one and you can afford it, I would say go for the LED one. At some point, I think I'm going to go ahead and get a hold of the smaller LEDs, the AA powered flashlights, and do a comparison between those as well so that we have a baseline for those. And I will publish this review same place I'm publishing this review. So as far as I can say, love Maglites. Get the LED kit if you can afford it. I think you'll be happy with it.